very fresh and green and look healthy. This video I will show how to grow the kale in the foam box. This is the foam box, and you can grow at home in the garden easily. Poke the hole or punch the hole for drainage. So, and then I will show how to use the coconut husk at the bottom. Before growing, I need to show how to mix the soil. So this is the soil. And mix with white hard charcoal. Soy 70%, white hard charcoal 30%, and mix together. So start to mix like this. So now the soil is ready mixed, and I got the soil mixing. I need to prepare the box. Use the cocoa husk at the bottom of the pot near the drainage. The benefit of cocoa husk is water not stacking at the bottom and the soil not flow out from the bottom from the pot. So this is the benefit of cocoa husk. And then I can use some charcoal like this. At the bottom of the pot and start to put the soil in like this. Now it's ready for the soil mixing and ready for prepare the soil into the foam box. The soil is already prepared, so now I got the kale baby or the Chinese kale baby in the pocket tray that I have germinated more than 3 weeks. So now they start to have the 5 leaf. Yeah, 5 leaf. And now I can transplant from this pocket tray into the foam box soil. So now I start to ditch. So I use the short spoon to ditch. It's easy to ditch the kale baby from the pocket like this. So the soil not breaking, and then I can grow into the soil in the foam box soil. Now it's ready for the growing into the foam box size. So I grow 5 rows. So 1 row is 3, so 5 rows. And then I can add some soil. Now it's ready, so I can watering. This VG is the kale, Chinese kale. I have transplant into the foam box, but now it's become a pot. So look fresh and green. It start to grow up fast, and it will be harvested soon. My Chinese kale now grow up with a big leaf, but there is some insect to eat on the Chinese kale leaf here. And this will be grow up and harvest soon. Here my Chinese broccoli I have grown in the foam box, and now this broccoli is grow up with the green leaf and will be harvested soon. Here's my kale or Chinese kale. Another word is Chinese broccoli, growing in the foam box. So now my plant start to grow up and will be harvested soon. Look nice, very fresh and green. Today I harvest my Chinese broccoli. Very fresh and green and look healthy. Very fresh. Thank you for watching my gardening video. Please subscribe for more video. Happy gardening.